Okay, so yesterday we went through the first 7. Numero ocho, por favor. I don't know why all this showed up, but okay, we'll just go past that. Number 8. All right. So let's say f of x equals x to the third minus 3x squared minus 8x minus 8x plus 8x. Okay, let's just look at this thing, okay? I will ask you various things, such as, what is the first derivative of x on this one? Ooh, I did screw this thing up, didn't I? I want this to be 9, and I want this to be 24. Sorry. So this is 3x squared minus 18x plus 24. Okay, that's the first derivative. Then I'll ask, what's the local min, local max, slope at x equals 1, slope at x equals negative 2. I'll ask all those things, okay? So, to find local min or max, what do you do next? Okay. You can do that. Or you can set the first derivative equal to 0. Then what do? We can take out a 3 and get x squared minus 6x plus 8 equals 0. So how does this factor? X and x minus 4 minus 2. So x equals 4, x equals 2, right? So x will equal 4 and x equals 2. So if we plug 4 and 2 into the original function, we plug 4 in there. What's 4 cubed? What's 4 cubed? 64. What's 4 squared? What's 9 times 16? 144, right? So we got 64 minus 144 plus 24 times x. Just got to plug the numbers in. What do we get? So 64 plus 96 minus 144, right? Or am I off? I'm doing it in my head. In the end, it gets to be 16. Can I have some verification on that? All right. Plug in a 2. We get 8 minus 36 plus 48. 20? So, local min is at 416. Local max is at 220. Well, think about it. It's based on the y's. Because a minimum has a lower y value, a maximum has a higher y value. Okay? What's the slope at 1? How do we figure out the slope at 1? Put 1 into the first derivative. Okay? 1 into the first derivative gives us 3 minus 18, which is negative 15, plus 24, which is 9. Slope at negative 2 gives us 12 plus 36 plus 24. So it's 72, right? So, and then I'll want just a sketch of the graph. Yep, put the number into the first derivative. So 220 is right here. 416 is right here. Okay. If we wanted to, I could put 0 in here and get 0, right? Into the original function. If I put 0 in, I get 0, right? So I know 0, 0 is a point. So it crosses here, goes up, goes down, goes up. Like something like that. Okay? So you got to make a sketch of the graph. Can you handle something like that? All right. All right, then you're going to have a piece of cardboard, or the problem will say you have a piece of cardboard.